this gadget. I'm gonna use this as to strengthen the hummingbird pool. So it's gonna be like crossed like that. So I was going crazy looking for this piece and it was buried over here on the side of the cement. So we'll see it when it's cured. Hey guys, this is the second day of making that hummingbird's swimming pool. Let's see how it comes out. Get this one out. Hopefully it'll come out. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. This should do it. I was hoping that wasn't gonna happen, but oh well. To happen, but it's not bad considering. See, this water fountain for the hummingbird, this thing has been running since 10:30 yesterday morning, and it is now 3:20 the next morning, and it's still going. And the solar panel seems to be holding up pretty good. I've still got 3 bars on it, so we'll see how long it will run until the sun comes up anyway, so hopefully it'll keep charging.